Hi, today I'll be showing you how to install these compatible toner cartridges in these compatible HP Color LaserJet Pro printers. First, open the front panel and locate the handle to pull out the cartridge tray. Inside, there is the toner cartridge drawer, which holds the 4 color cartridges. Starting from the top, we have yellow, followed by cyan, black, and then magenta. Make sure that the color chip on the cartridge matches the color chip on the drawer. Grab the handle on your toner cartridge or cartridges that need to be replaced and gently pull it out. Be sure to open your new cartridges over a wastebasket in case of powder leaks. Be careful not to spill the toner since it is really hard to clean up if you do. Remove all protective coverings and tape from the new cartridges. Avoid touching the sensitive bottom part. Lightly rock each new cartridge back and forth to distribute the toner evenly inside before installing it. Slide each new cartridge into place in the tray. Match the colors to the correct slot. Push the cartridge tray fully back into the printer and close the front panel. Print a test page to make sure all the new cartridges are working properly. And that's it! You've successfully installed new toner cartridges. Now, you're ready to print.